when you feel like you want to pee, then before you enter the comfort room, what signage do you observe? Or did you observe? Yes.
Female and male.
Yes. The word female and male, because you're not just go inside in every room. You need to observe the signage, which is the female and male. So what does it mean? What does the female mean and the male means?
Yes, it means the male is not allowed to enter the female's life or
Yes, because they are opposite or they have the opposite sexes, they need to enter to their accurate sexes. Another, if you are going to ride a bus or a van or whatever vehicle it is, what signage did you observe in the traffic lights? If you are going to stop, what color is the signage?
red.
Red. Yes, red. Are you going to drive if the color is red?
No.
Why?
Because it is a sign it is not against the law.
Yes, because it is not allowed, it is against the law, and it may cause some accident, right? So our next topic is we have an economy table. We have an economy table there though. So you are going to guess what is the opposite of every word. What is the opposite meaning of fast?
Slow.
Good. How about the beat?
Small.
Yes. The cell?
Wide.
Yes. The out?
In.
Yes. The happy?
Sad.
Yes. They are the opposite meaning of every word that is written there. You already know what is economy. So lastly, we have an activity. Word word. It is a word activity where you need to answer what is the opposite meaning or give the opposite meaning of every sentence. So who wants to answer first? Kumala. Can you read the sentence?
Better is the youngest siblings they have.
So either is the youngest sequence they have. What is the opposite of the youngest word?
Oldest.
Can you very good. The next sentence. Mary's mansion is so expensive. Yes, what is the opposite of sheep? C-H, sheep. Can you write it?
Payment cheap.
The third sentence. Can you read the third sentence, guys?
The Philippines is one of the hottest country in Asia.
So what is the opposite meaning of hottest? Can you give the opposite meaning of hottest? Canales? Can you write it? So, you've got the correct answer. From the first sentence, Peter is the youngest siblings they have. So the opposite sentence Okay, can we check your papers now?
Yes, ma'am.
The first row will collect the papers. Okay. So before we end, I will give you an assignment. Please write your assignment. Get your notes, please. So I want you, for your assignment, I want you to write 10 sentences with its opposite meaning. Do you want an example? So example, the box is big while the basket is small, like that. You will give the opposite meaning of every sentence you will write. Okay, so thank you for your listening, thank you for your attention, and thank you for listening.